Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw a Song. Today we're drawing something fun from a song. In this video, it's all about music and creativity. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and singing, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Draw, draw, draw the fun, color jelly, yum, yum, yum. Draw the dragon, color bright, this jelly friend feels just right. Peppa walks through a quiet place, sticky footsteps, what's that trace? George whispers, did you hear that sound? Something jelly jiggles around. Behind the trees, behind the hill, something sparkles, something still. Peppa peeks with wide surprise. George, it blinked its jelly eyes. Draw, draw, draw the surprise, color magic before your eyes. Draw the jelly, color the cheer, a secret dragon is hiding here. Wobble, wobble, jiggle, plop, the jelly dragon does not stop. Strawberry tail and lemon feet, blueberry wings, oh super sweet. Peppa laughs, you're not scary, no. You're the friendliest dragon I know. Draw, draw, draw the fun, color jelly, yum, yum, yum. Draw the dragon, color bright, this jelly friend feels just right. Suddenly slip, Peppa slide. Whoa, she shouts with arms out wide. The jelly dragon catches fast, saving Peppa, what a blast. George claps loud, dinosaur roar. Peppa giggles, dragon more. Jelly jiggle, dragon wiggle, dragon wiggle. Draw the magic, color joy. The jelly dragon softly hums, no loud shouts, no sticky runs. I hide here safe both day and night, only friends with hearts just right. Draw, draw, draw the trust, color kindness, it's a must. Draw the dragon, color true, friends keep secrets, me and you. Sun goes down, the cave glows low, jelly sparkles, ebb and flow. The dragon waves a jelly claw, Peppa waves, we'll see you more. Draw, draw.
Wow, you did amazing! Today we drew a song moment and had fun mixing art and music. If you love music and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. See you soon, friends! Bye!